cases, actually 5 implant will be. So we have to make another implant here too.
That's number
Okay,
9.
number 9. So you're trying to sleep, but it's not. The facial sticking out.
And we have the pre-op from the
Pre-op, reset the denture. That's good, which is satisfied. Now the other one is like we said, we can add more little bit or bulk out the tissue. That's good. So this is the planning going. So we make a little bit longer and thicker. This is the denture setting.
Here we can see the line from the pre-op. It's
Right.
finishing here.
That's good. So remember, so you will going to do about the gradient. So this much should be acceptable.
Yes.
Okay. And then inside, can I see the inside? I have to take it out, the mold, which is 2 pieces. We're going to make 2 pieces, framework and mold, as well as the final full mono zirconia on top of that. Yep. Underneath, that's good.
We need to work on this one.
Correct. And then make slightly is trying to make the convex underneath a little bit, right? Just a little bit. Here a little bit and here a little bit too. And here too. And the other side too. Okay, show me the model, the implant directions, which is most tough without frame.
See, the other thing.
That's the occlusion view. Yeah, that's good. That's the most difficult case we're trying to finish them up. Yeah, Let me see the occlusion view. That's good. So here is the we can set up one more, then we finish them up. Okay, cool. That's milling then. Thank you. After done, right? Out of work. Good job. Guys, now next thing about this is most notorious case. The angulation, as you can see, which is most awful. And we would like to get the 2 pieces of this patient as much as possible, saving especially back tooth. And here is our issue. Okay, Tyler, we're going to show now calculating, right?
Yeah, calculated for the final. So the Syton 6500. We're gonna do the crowns on top. They're all Straumann implants, but you can see the divergence on the implants. It was pretty big here. You see them going 2 directions. I have replaced these hexes with the non-engaging ones, so I can draw as a bridge.
That's great idea. Yeah.
And then it will mill out tonight overnight. Probably be over like an 8-hour mill.
Okay,
And
that's
then,
cool.
Yeah, take it out.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Finally, we milled this most notorious implant position, zigzagging. So we made the 2 piece is over there. So now Tyler can take it out. This is a daily basis. So Tyler can show us this. Let me see. Now we can cut it. See? You don't have to. No, we can see. Other side. So you see we make the internally still we have to grind a little bit more. I want hygiene, so make a little bit more convex type. Unfortunately, such an area we cannot do it because concave with this problem. So I have to grinding, and after we fit it from here, which is 2 pieces about 4 mount cases. After we cut it, now let's grind it.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. Come here. Grind it. One is done. Now we finish it. It's amazing. You see, fit good. Yep. So then we can screw down. See the other implant positions like that. So you make the great passive fit. Okay, and the other one through your bottom one. We'll grind the slide. Oh, that's good. Okay, that's awesome. Then now, after we cut it, put it back, slightly check the aluminum oxide, and we're trying to finish them up. Only one piece, and then top of that, we're going to after we put the porcelain, no, radial composite ceramic, and then scan design again. Top of that, we make the zirconia bridge, which is 7 stars, the Syton 6000. All right, that's good. We polish it and anodize it, and fit perfectly done, and then we can screw down there. Because now, what is next step? We're going to scan and design it. Top of the zirconia bridge, and also we're going to put the gradient composite, which is gum areas. So this is very interesting cases coming up. Because now our step can do all this full mouth case too. Alright, so I will update more about possible this afternoon about designing. Okay, thank you. Okay, it's gold anodized, right? Push the button. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One more time, I believe. Okay, took it out.
Hold up and see where it's.
Oh, one more time. You see top? You still need some.
Let's turn it this way, and we can get it on this ring. It's probably not all the way in the water over there, so let's
Okay.
put it on that one.
Right?
That thing, see that side just got more gold. We'll run it one more time after this.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Much better, right? Awesome. Awesome. Take it out. Show me. Beautiful. Underneath. Okay, now concentrate on the money. Thank you. Finally, we after trying Syton 6500 cases, we will going to make this much position, and here is lower denture too, and we're trying to get the after I modify a little bit in the proximal area slightly more. Okay, and then we're going to make the Monet Pure Zirconia bridge top of that. So this is very interesting cases. It's 2 pieces. Implant side is really bad, but we made it. Great job. And then I will show you the more restoration soon. Thank you. Nice. Final 7-star case, final design. We're going to make the yeah, 3 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, and 4 piece. Okay, so 12 unit. That's good. We just cut back the fascia. We just maintain the incisor thicker. So we slightly add it, but just make sure the embrasure is way open compared to wax try-in. And we notice the wax try-in is really bulk out, which is I did not like it. So we're trying to bring it in to get the occlusion contact. But the, like I said, lower is really old denture. So not get the perfect occlusions unless they get the new denture setting. Or yes, like I said, you're trying to get the occlusion because lower denture is really one dentition.
And all the yellow here, you can see all the occlusion spots. So pretty much each teeth we have some point of occlusion on.
Okay, and then I see the incisor edge position. That's good.
Compared to the wax up.
Alright, that's good. We cut back. Alright, and right, that much, yeah, because denture tooth is really bad. Make sure the embrasures here are like that, so we can make the individual looking.
Pretty good.
That's good. Yeah. So now we're ready to nesting.
Yeah.
All right, then nestings we will today. Awesome. Thank you. Another top case is done with the 7-star case. Look at this and the gum quality. Then we're going to see it's very good. And make the only thing is this is 2-piece due to diversity implant. So we have put some little bit of that, and this is the same thing. Okay, and this is the same thing. Okay, so technically like that. Okay, skeleton types. So his whole diversity, especially this, cannot do that. So we make the porcelain fused titanium, and then made the hole, the lingual, finish like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see the old only facial zirconia. It's a great job about the highest aesthetic. Thank you.
Subscribe to Luke Kahn's Patreon for ongoing training for dental technicians, lab owners, and aspiring lab owners, as well as education from a lab side for dentists. For just $25 a month, you can train with Luke online via live video, live chats, Q&A sessions, and ongoing dialogues on Patreon. Additionally, dentists can get valuable information from a lab side perspective on live, ongoing cases that Luke Kahng is presently working on in his laboratory. Subscribe today